everyone, I'm Xiabing from KraneShares. We're here at China International Import Expo here in Shanghai, one of the largest platforms for global trade and cooperation. So this year's expo feels a little different. It's happening just as the US-China trade war tension began to ease. So let's go and check out some of the most important players and partners that are shaping this history. This year's expo set new records. More than 4,100 enterprises from around 138 countries and regions participated, and US exhibitors notably expanded their presence. So our first stop is the Smart Mobility Zoo, and one of the hottest places is Tesla. And as you can see, if you want to enter Tesla's exhibition, you have to wait in a line. And here is the Cybercab that everyone wants to see. It's very exciting to see with your own eyes, and also it is the first showcase in Asia for Tesla's Cybercab.
明年就要量产了，对，
Okay.
明年的第二季度左右，对。
然后那边是那个 Cybertruck。
对，那边是。
谢谢。
然后对这个 Cybertruck， 其实在国内也有一部分小部分的车主其实已经开上了。
Guys, this is so cool. This is the first time I saw this in person, and it's like a huge tank. Tesla continues to invest heavily in China. In 2024, China accounted for roughly 37% of Tesla's global vehicle sales. And vehicles produced at Shanghai factory made up around half of Tesla's global deliveries in Q2 2025. So here we're at one of the most symbolic booths, the US Soybean Export Council. Why is this important? Because US soybean export has been deeply affected due to the US-China trade war. The return or increase is actually a great sign of US-China start to ease.
If you talked with the average U.S. soybean farmer, they would say China is a really important customer of ours. We value that relationship. And without China as a customer, we'd have a burdensome supply of soybeans and prices would be low and it wouldn't be a good situation for our farmers. And I think about agricultural trade and the importance of this as being a very positive thing in this overarching relationship between China and the United States. And I think that creates the ballast in the relationship.
China has agreed to purchase at least 12 million metric tons of US soybean by the end of 2025, and at least 25 million metric tons annually through 2026 to 28, supporting over 300,000 US farmers. So now we move to intelligent industry and the semiconductor fields, including companies like Intel, AMD, and also ASML. This tech power's participation showcased how US and China can continuously collaborate in high-end fields like semiconductors, chips, and AI fields.
这个话目前是上外和埃及那边政府合作的一个项目。
那像那个 AMD 它在这个里面的工作的，
就是负责提供一个强大的算力工作站。
OK。
目前 AMD 的这个展台的话，主要就是 AMD 的硬件和各个企业、各个行业之间进行一个 AI 生态的一个落地。
Okay. So across the house, we can see that more and more American companies are coming back, and also more deals has been signed, which is a clear signal that this dialogue has been back to the table again. From electric vehicles and AI chips to soybean and energy, the cooperation between the world's two largest economies is quietly regaining momentum. It is also a clear sign to the global investors that China is still a key player in the global market. And thanks for watching. I'm Xiabing from KraneShares, and I will see you next time.